Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude and Pocket. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. First, we sketch the 2D profile without the holes on XY plane and then create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. There are 3 types holes with different diameters. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Constrain the 2 circles' symmetry about the vertical axis. Constrain the new circle tangential to the 2 circles. Remove unnecessary curves with the Trim tool. Constrain the new circle tangential to the small and the big circles. Remove again unnecessary curves with the Trim tool. Sketch the circle with radius of 50 mm and then constrain it tangential to the circles. Remove unnecessary curves. Now, we have the shape, but it is not constrained. The inner profile is full constrained. Now, we sketch the outer contour. First, select the curves and activate the Offset tool. Set the offset parameter to 10 mm. Delete unnecessary curves. Sketch a line and then constrain it tangential to the lower circles. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Sketch a line and then constrain it tangential to the curves. The shape of the profile is complete. Now we start with constraining and dimensioning the profile. Everything is green means the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 4 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Now, we create the holes with different diameters. The diameter of 5 holes is 5 millimeters. The diameter of the other holes is 6 and 10 millimeters. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. First, extract the reference edges and curves. Convert these two lines to construction lines. Hide the solid part. Convert the reference curves into construction curves. Select the curves and activate the Offset tool. Set the offset parameter to 5 millimeters. Delete unnecessary curves. First, sketch the circles with a diameter of 5 millimeters. Now, assign the dimensions. Now, we sketch the other two holes. Extract the lower edge. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool, and then select the option through all. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.